This year, an Indian star is born. The star is Fiji Indian TV, featuring a live web TV show covering news, current affairs, sports, Bollywood gupshup, Kaunchi Pakaya, Aao Chat Kare, FITV Talent Time, live coverage and more. Join us with your host Param Sivan. Fiji Indian TV, providing entertainment for the Fiji Indians around the globe. Every Sunday from 1 p.m. www.fijiindiantv.com. Be there.
और फिजी इंडियन टीवी में आप सबका हम स्वागत करते हैं। मैं हूँ परम शिवन
और हमेशा की तरह विश्वजीत आपके समक्ष एक बार फिर।
And as always, Dr. Anil here, आपके खिदमत में हाजिर हैं।
अभी डॉक्टर अनिल दौड़ते दौड़ते ऐसे थोड़ा सा डिले हो गया है।
टाइगर शेयर एयरलाइंस में मेलबर्न एयरपोर्ट में बहुत रिनोवेशंस हो रही है। बारिश है 16 degrees and very cold.
Very cold. Okay.
Melbourne cold.
Yes.
Summer.
Very cold.
Well, this is episode number
39.
Yes, and
It's the 7th of November.
Yes, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Ladies and gentlemen around the globe watching this program. Quickly, our website address is
www.fijiindiantv.com. Email fijiindiantv@hotmail.com.
7th of December, Doc.
December, what did I say? November? Yeah, it's Christmas time, 18 days away.
एक महीना पीछे bro.
18 days.
18 sleepless nights.
Okay, we've got lots to discuss and lot of issues to discuss and things and politics. Guys, back with some news.
गर्मा गर्म.
कुछ health tips भी होगा. डॉक्टर
Yes.
उधर से मेलबर्न से कुछ fresh tip लेकर आए
Yes.
अभी भी
News.
उसके बारे में कुछ जानकारी देंगे। चलिए इस प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और इस एक गीत से हम शुरुआत करते हैं, उसके बाद में और भी बातचीत होगी।
खुशियाँ लाएगा जरूर Fiji Indian TV Fiji Indian TV
Fiji Indian TV, providing entertainment for the Fiji Indians around the globe. Every Sunday from 1 p.m. www.fijiindiantv.com. Be there.
यस फीजी इंडियन टीवी में आप गलूड है और आप वॉच कर रहे हैं एपिसोड 39 और यदि आप कुछ विशेष टिप्पणी करना चाहते हैं कुछ बदलाना चाहते हैं तो हेड ऑफ टू आवर वेबसाइट एंड इफ यू वाचिंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम प्लीज सब्सक्राइब
Right there.
right there down there red सा बटन है I think you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do promote our channel क्योंकि बहुत सारी जानकारी आपको देने को है और you can pass us your details. Well guys excuse me
Welcome everybody.
welcome everybody. Festival कैसा रहा आप सबका हफ्ता कैसा रहा How has your week been?
Busy, hectic actually. जैसे आपको पता है कि lot of storms.
मैं तो उड़ के आ गया आप लोग उड़ रहे हैं अब
Sydney was very wet and wild when you सुना?
Yeah, very wet.
Very wet and wild था मैं तो away था I was in
How long were you away for?
2 days.
Okay.
Yeah, lot of rain in Sydney and a lot of storms as well.
जी हाँ
Yeah.
हाँ
और वो predict कर रहे हैं कि there might be another storm this afternoon.
Storm. Wow.
So I was at an engagement party. Congratulations.
How was the weather?
Devika and Mohit, very cold and very wet.
Cold and wet. I like it. It's a bit cold अच्छा होता है ना
Me too. Good sleeping weather, good
How was the
studying
flight,
weather.
by
Flight
the way?
was rough back, smooth over there.
Which Tiger Airlines?
Tiger.
Tiger.
As I said, domestic is being renovated. बहुत जोर तोर से काम चल रही है. You have to make a long walk. So hip replacement वाले के ठीक नहीं है.
सभी जगह पर ये हो रहा है आजकल ना Every airport.
Everywhere, even Brisbane's been
So
renovated. at the
it was
moment
raining
as
and
well.
wet. We were walking through
Oh,
running
okay.
water.
Outside.
It was covered,
Yeah.
but पानी आ रहा था ना.
Oh, and what have you been up to? Last week आप थे नहीं वो we just try to he was missing you miss कर रहे थे
We were worried.
was very worried phone टा मारी पहले कहाँ गया लड़का ऐसे नहीं बोले ना
As usual.
सुने मैं हैमिल्टन में थे.
Yeah, a lot of visitors from overseas, and then I had to shoot off to Brisbane quickly. We had the storm in Brisbane, so a bit of damage in Brisbane.
Bit of damage in the bank balance as well.
Yeah, bit of dent in the bank balance.
Just bad. Oh, that's not bad.
सुना ना
Not bad.
डेंट करी करने के लिए तो बड़का आएगा
बड़का है लट्टू. टन गोपाल भरा है.
थोड़ा डेंट करके well ladies and gentlemen
हम और टेंट कर देंगे. Leave it to us.
it's very hot in Sydney बाहर बहुत गर्म है क्योंकि I've been here from 7 o'clock and we've got some tips for us news आप तैयार करके रखा
Yeah, I've got some news. I mean, obviously, there's a lot of things happening, and बारिश का मौसम है, and it's been actually it has been raining in Fiji as well. बहुत सारे इलाके में floods वगैरह आए हैं.
Did you know
and,
about that?
No, but I know there's a big problem in Philippines.
Yeah, there's a typhoon in
Typhoon.
Philippines.
Saw that at the airport on the television. But Fiji, can you? So you'll have to give us the hot news
Yeah.
I've heard Prime Minister Frank Bainimarama is coming to Australia.
on the 7th or the 8th.
Have you been invited? Dinner कुछ सुनिए?
I have been invited. It's $100 per person.
Yes.
Tickets are still available, and it's Cockle Bay
Local by Wolf, yeah.
Wharf
That's
Yeah.
near
in Darling Harbour.
Darling Harbour.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been to
The
this.
venue is out of my mind right now.
I think there's a restaurant over there.
Restaurant.
Seafood restaurant है.
Yes,
It has to be that one. It's quite
Yeah.
famous.
it's not bad for $100 for a VIP dinner,
Yeah.
lunch or dinner, and again there'll be a live band.
Okay. वहीं पे.
Yes,
You going?
I may be going.
You're contemplating. Okay.
Because one of my cousins is now the secretary of the Sydney branch or association,
Name?
Mr. Bob Singh.
Okay.
Yeah, I have heard there were some issues without going into politics with one of our members that we know
Okay. Okay.
who has either resigned or left, so there was a vacancy.
Okay.
अच्छा
So I've got a family member who is now on board.
राजनीति में हमेशा होता है
कुर्सी के पीछे लड़ाई.
कुर्सी के पीछे सही जगह लड़े
और
Well,
कुर्सी भी लकड़ी का होता है. सुनहरी कुर्सी रहता तो डिफरेंट है वो राजस्थान की
फिल्म
तरह.
टाइम से बात करेंगे हम तो काट काट के रस्सी कुर्सी डाल देंगे then you fall on it. Well, what else has been happening around the globe? Any news? Any खबर? ज़्यादातर you just said there's a typhoon in Philippines. Any deaths?
Same place, Tacloban. We
Where
had a
that's it?
massive one, I think last year. Remember, there's quite a few lives lost. So they were showing the evacuation center. I think it's on television here too.
Yes, yes. We're coming to the festive season and उधर बाढ़, उधर पानी, उधर typhoon, तो
It's
Let's
a pretty
hope,
unusual weather at the moment. Now we're getting storms. We never.
फिजी के लिए नॉर्मल है नवंबर टू अप्रैल.
Yeah, but I mean for Sydney and Brisbane, I mean,
very
it's not
unusual.
Very
I think
unusual.
it's been very hot. The global warming, no? It's the weather is changing around globally.
Must be evidence of that.
That, yeah, I
And
mean,
And I don't know if you guys notice, Sydney is getting hotter.
It is getting hotter. I've been in Sydney 24 years, and I definitely can say that it is getting hotter.
It's getting hotter. So I think in days to come we'll be having siesta by the look of it. जो बाहर काम कर रहे हैं, we'll be having a siesta जैसे दुबई में होता
इसके
है.
लिए मेक्सिको से बड़ा टोपी लेना पड़ेगा, मेxico से. तो इसके आरीबा की तरह तो ऐसे मक्खी नहीं लगेगा.
Okay. So and how did the wedding? Sorry, the
It was an engagement.
engagement. How did it
Yes.
go? All good?
हमारे दादा के granddaughter. Yeah, so that was Devika and Mohit. Congratulations, guys. I think they're watching us. Good party, good turnout. My elbow was turned to sing a couple of karaoke's.
Oh, you did a bit of jazz.
you do cover
Couple of
the
थोड़ा नहीं धंधा ना अपन.
Sound system was right. In fact,
Did you get a harmonia
the
there?
DJ, no, we did harmonia the night before.
Oh, अच्छा.
Bit of harmonia and dolak.
Is that the photo I saw on Facebook?
Probably.
Okay.
So that was the night before. So there was no harmonia player, so I was it.
Oh, okay.
You're the man.
And played a bit of dolak. But on the day we had good sound system. Gentleman is from Sydney, from Glenfield, who's the DJ. Sound system thick, a good crowd, no trouble, plenty of food and a little bit too much alcohol as usual in these places. Went well.
Well, Melbourne is a very good city if you're living in Melbourne, because I myself have been there. But we'll take a little short break and we'll discuss a little bit about Melbourne. I think you were living there. Right?
Yeah,
You
I
stayed there.
I stayed there for 6 months.
Because Sydney ki jo life is very fast.
Yes,
I mean, we don't like to boast, but
it is.
a lot of people ask, see, you guys are having fun down under over there. But talking about fun, we will talk about fun. Why is two people are saying we are having a lot of fun over here? Because there's a lot of things happening. I think Fiji Indians ka population शायद यहाँ पर ही ज़्यादा.
Yeah, Sydney.
I thought it was Vancouver before, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
No, not
Initially
Vancouver.
they moved, no?
Initially, initially it was Vancouver. People, a lot of moved to Vancouver, but Sydney now is Sydney and Brisbane as well.
The biggest population in the diaspora.
Is in the city.
I would say so.
Okay. Well, those who are watching around the globe will tell you a little bit of information as to how Fiji Indians in Sydney are scattered.
And why we are so, क्यों हम व्यस्त रहते हैं.
Yeah. So we'll take a little break. एक गाना बजाते हैं आपके लिए और फिर उसके बाद में और भी बातचीत.
प्रीत की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने पिया को, हे मैं जाऊं बारी बारी, मोहे सुध बुध ना रही तन मन की, ये तो जाने दुनिया सारी, बेबस होए लाचार फिरूं मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी. इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, इश्क जुनू जब हद से बढ़ जाए, हंसते हंसते आशिक सूली चढ़ जाए, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, इश्क का जादू सर चढ़ कर बोले, खूब लगा लो पहरे रस्ते रब खोले, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, यही इश्क दी मर्जी है, यही रब दी मर्जी है, तेरे बिन जीना कैसा खुद गर्जी है, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। के मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, के मैं रंग रंगीली दीवानी, है मैं अलबेली मैं मस्तानी, गाऊं बजाऊं सबको रिझाऊं, के मैं दीन धर्म से बेगानी, के मैं दीवानी मैं दीवानी, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं मिट गई मैं, ओ जी हाँ जी हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी। ओ, ओ,
Fiji Indian TV में आप glued है and you're watching Param Shivan and
विश्वजीत और
And Dr. Anil here, I like that keyboard player, इसका केकड़ा की तरह हाथ भाग रहा था,
बकेड़ा की तरह
केकड़ा की तरह
going back and forth. It's a bit of a fast waltz beat. था. उससे पहले वाला guitarist left-handed था, मैंने notice किया.
अच्छा
The first song you played. I'm pretty sure the guitarist
okay,
is
okay,
left-handed
okay. Yes,
guitarists
yes,
are
yes,
very
yes.
unusual to see left-handed guitarists, but
Yep.
they are out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of guitar. I'm left-handed, but I can't play left. So
एक बात बता दें हमारे म्यूजिशियंस को कि जो फैंस है कि जब गिटार खरीदना ये बात के ख्याल रखना कि लेफ्ट हैंडेड और राइट हैंडेड गिटार्स अलग से शेप होते हैं. शेप सेम होता है लेकिन उसका स्ट्रिंगिंग टॉप टू बॉटम ये मुझे भी नहीं मालूम था.
I haven't seen the left, but I believe the fret would be same, no? It's just
Same,
the strings is दूसरा वाला लगा है ना.
Yes. You can. I suppose you can play the left, the normal one.
One of my friend does.
And but और hard रहेगा.
Right guitar left से बजावे.
जी हाँ. More skillful to do that. उसके जो cut out part होता है हम यहाँ पे रेस्ट करेंगे. If you play the normal one left-handed तो उल्टा हो जाएगा. The up cut out part ना. But I suppose it can be done.
Well, as we have spoken before कि सिडनी में बहुत सारे फिजी इंडियंस रह रहे हैं और इंडियंस प्लस भारतीय जो है there is quite a number of people here in Sydney, and as to why we are scattered or where we are located, Brisbane, Sydney, Canberra, Melbourne,
Adelaide.
Tasmania, Adelaide, Perth, there's a lot of there, but ज़्यादातर पे Fiji Indians are based
New
in
South Wales, Sydney.
South Wales and Sydney. And the hub is, what do you think the hubs are?
Liverpool cities, you mean?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the hub of Fiji
Yeah,
Indians.
Liverpool, Harris Park, Blacktown.
Fiji Indians mostly are in Liverpool, and Blacktown basically.
Blacktown, ना? Minchinbury area.
Whereas mainland Indians जो हमारे इंडिया से आए I think more Parramatta,
Parramatta, Harris Park, yeah.
business hub.
Now, there's a question I'd like to ask you too. Is because similarly we've been here in this country for a while. Now, tell me, what do you think? Ki why Fiji Indians are settled in Liverpool and Blacktown more? What are your thoughts on it? Because most of them were living towards the city, is migrated or moved into the country. What were your thoughts?
Mostly
Housing, cheaper housing maybe.
Cheaper housing?
Further out you move, we tend to want bigger houses, bigger families. We need to have a music room, puja करने की व्यवस्था होना चाहिए. So maybe you need bigger blocks. We're not used to living in a small unit. वहाँ भजन कीर्तन नहीं उतना कर सकते, noise factor. So I think my one offering is कि probably cheaper out west.
Cheaper.
And weather warmer as well maybe. Maybe.
What about you?
Because we come
it's the
from a warm
space,
country.
as Doctor said. I mean, it's basically more affordability it's one of the key issues, because affordability is one, and the other thing is space, the land size.
उस समय की बात कर रहे हैं. अभी affordability थोड़ा hard हो गया. All the properties are reaching 1 million or more. They used to be 500,000 when I first came to Australia in
There used to be
1990.
jungle around here. People didn't want to go.
Farms.
Farms.
Rabbit farms. Talk to people at work. I mean, they say we used
Even
to go
western
rabbit
side, Rooty Hill, Liverpool, I mean Blacktown की तरफ, सब 5-acre farms थे. मुर्गी बतख हम पकड़ी जाती थे. They're all suburbs now.
Those who are watching around the globe, you can actually Google and see. You can type in Liverpool and you'll see globally कि क्या है, कहाँ है, दुकान वगैरह देख सकते हैं आपकी. Where it is Northumberland Street, आप टाइप कर सकते हैं. George Street है.
Macquarie
Street.
Macquarie Street. This is become a central because a lot of Fiji Indians live around here.
Yes.
There's a lot of housing developments here, but I think firstly people move to Blacktown because when the land house
Release.
and land packages came out, I
Release
think it was
हुआ था.
called is it A.V. Jennings?
Ivy Jennings.
It's a big
it was
company.
quite big, na, back then,
Back
house
then.
and land packages.
Yes.
So they
Big
moved. A
company.
lot of them moved in Minchinbury, I think. Blacktown and Minchinbury.
Yeah, a lot of them
Maybe.
started moving. They had house and land
first
package. Yeah,
development
yeah.
settlement.
First
छोटे
development.
छोटे
Dunside it was
Hassel Grove, Dunside, Prospect.
It was first.
Also a bit later.
Yeah.
जैसे Blacktown में
Yeah.
property got taken up, shortage of land.
Because the properties were released there before.
Yes, now it's going out towards Richmond, Marsden Park,
Yeah.
Kellyville तो भर गया है.
Yeah.
Rouse Hill.
Rouse Hill is
further up.
going there, and
High
further up as well.
Schofields.
Schofields.
अभी नया suburb बस खुल गया है बुनिया कर BUNYA
उधर भी होगा
between
ना?
Rooty Hill and Dunside,
Yeah.
and that's all gum trees था वहाँ. Kangaroo दौड़ते थे time था.
The development taking place. And then I think Liverpool became last. No, last नहीं, लेकिन after that. Liverpool and Macquarie Fields were all housing commission areas.
Yeah, it started. I mean, Liverpool started from Wattle Grove. I mean, basically Liverpool was here. Then development came into Wattle Grove, and then
Hoxton.
Hoxton,
Started
West Hoxton,
spreading out.
Ancient Brook,
It's like throwing
Green
a stone
Valley,
in a lake.
West Hoxton,
पत्थर
Cecil
भगे तो
Hills.
ripples and carry on.
And then Preston's.
and then Preston's, yeah, and all this
Glenfield.
area.
Those who are
Yeah.
wondering, I think Preston's around the Liverpool area is the most sorted out area, na? Houses.
Exactly.
Houses are
और
expensive.
5 साल में क्या हो जाएगा? लिवरपूल कैम्बलटाउन एक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि भी ऑरेंज पार्क खुल गया है, मिल्टन ग्रेंज. और लास्ट टाइम आई वाज इन कैम्पटन वैली वे, देयर इज अ न्यू रेलवे लाइन देयर.
Yeah, there is a railway line. It's operating
it'll
now.
be all confluent. जुड़
Have
जाएगा.
you seen the number of units appearing in Liverpool Central.
Yeah. Yes.
medium to high density housing.
Amazing. And
Because of shortage of housing, na?
Have you seen the prices?
Instead of going building out,
$500,000 at least?
$500,000
For
at
two
least.
bedroom?
2 bedroom.
But then you'll be paying strata fees will be high.
Strata
as well,
fees will be high because all the units are coming. I mean, as soon as you got lifts involved in there, your strata fees goes. I mean, the strata is
I only drove past yesterday and I said, man, this is amazing. Then I was tossing and turning. Would you buy a second hand and an older unit or you buy a new one? And I thought, Fiji Indians ki dimag mein to rehne walo na. But then you
bada nawa.
Bada nawa, then strata fees are more. And issues bhi kafi rahe na usme.
Well, initially.
Hundreds of units and then problems hota hai. And it's a rental market at the moment na, over here. Although it's closer to the transport. But I think there's pros and cons over there, na?
Always.
And it's taken off, and I think they
Transport dekhte hain log, young couples are working, trying to save up, so they don't want to drive. Waste
if you
rehte.
go out from here, like how many kilometers you'll be getting 500,000 mein aapko ghar mil jayega अच्छा ना.
Yes, for another 10 kilometers out of
Camden
Liverpool.
से पहले ना.
You'll get
good
a house. You'll get a house for $500,000. Yes.
और एक समय था 600-700 स्क्वायर मीटर से नीचे लोग देखते नहीं थे इंडियंस ना. अभी एवरेज लैंड इज 350 to 400 square meters. Classed as a big block.
Yeah,
Works
400
out
is a big block at the moment.
It works out at $1,000 per square meter.
There you
So
go.
all you young
If
guys out there, so 400 square meters, $400,000, $1,000 per square meter.
Yeah.
जहाँ पर हम बैठे हैं इतना बड़ा $1,000 है.
So it started off as around about 600-700 square.
Even
feet
quarter
of
acre.
na?
Yeah.
Some people have houses there on quarter acre.
And they're lucky they subdivide कर सकते
Very lucky.
हैं. Subdivide. So I don't know about the other parts of the world. I've seen in New Zealand. New Zealand is sort of similar to Australia, but they are also the housing is getting quite expensive.
Especially North Shore, Auckland में.
I don't know about Vancouver, Canada, इत्यादि उधर US में.
I was in Auckland earlier this year. बहुत सारे development suburbs हो गए. Otahu के पीछे Otara, Papatoi.
And in New Zealand, if you need to buy a property, I think it's about 20% deposit. So if a house is $400,000, $450,000,
More than here.
Yes, ours is like 5% na minimum. And if your wages are good, मिल जाएगा आपको ना 5% पे भी. But I think in New Zealand it's 20% deposit. Plus you have to have a good job.
लेकिन न्यूजीलैंड का मिट्टी और अच्छा है यार.
For plantation.
बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं. It's rich soil.
Yeah,
Good
because
for
of
you,
volcanic.
then.
na?
Weather
Those who
be
like
nice.
gardening.
Weather is also nice. Cooler.
Not bad, but I mean we have hot here extremes. लेकिन वहाँ का जो मिट्टी है सोना है ना, volcanic rock Fiji की तरह. हाँ, लेकिन but I'm digressing. Let's stick to the point.
करिया है ना.
दाम है.
Well, so back from Melbourne, what did you think of Melbourne? The atmosphere of Fiji Indians is it same as here, or is it different? Is it laid back?
So it was laid back.
More laid back.
They were not laid back, matlab, which is a good thing. They are not stressing and
Relaxed
running
at all.
around, and although it's dysfunction, a lot of people are running around. But cities, mein people were walking slower, and यहाँ पर हम भागते रहते. Literally, we're running here.
जैसे कि आज
It is more a traditional sort of
Fast life,
city.
In Melbourne?
Yeah.
Yes.
A traditional city. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
I like
slow
it.
paced.
It is good, and lots of ethnic people there.
Oh yeah, different ethnic
Asians, Bangladeshi. We actually had a lunch on the first day we arrived in a Sri Lankan place. वो बड़ा वगैरह देते हैं ना, बड़ा.
Vada.
Quite
Vada.
nice.
would you settle down in New Zealand, Melbourne?
No, New Zealand, Fiji is first choice.
Like for even looking at your
And-
dental practice
and
and
then
things
New
like that,
Zealand second.
business wise would be
Yes, yes.
chilling out रहेगा ना? Or
Chilling
would you
out.
prefer Fiji?
Fiji is number one choice.
Number one choice.
Yeah, New Zealand second.
उधर अमेरिका वगैरह नहीं है?
वहाँ मोक्ष
बड़ा बड़ा सपना
वहाँ
लेकिन
मोक्ष
टन
वहाँ मोक्ष नहीं मिलेगा. I think more माया में उतना नहीं होना चाहिए. Because our book teaches us that you should be happy with what you have, and he's got our house up there. But in
And plus a
the
lot of expenses है ना अमेरिका में.
yeah,
Health must is priority.
the wages is
private health.
lower, but
Lower
things are
compared to us.
very cheap.
Yeah, cheaper. You get things in quantities basically. That's why you see. You don't get small serves of chips. You get
That's
big
why
serve.
they say the obesity is
yeah.
high.
The food.
in
The food. I mean,
When I was there, not a few years ago, I could never finish my meal
अच्छा?
in a restaurant.
Yeah.
Tip
Yeah.
देना पड़ता है? Do you have to give tips?
Don't think it's
No, no,
compulsory.
just
Restaurant में compulsory नहीं है ना?
Like we have our chop suey here, right? 3 combined is a serve there.
Huh?
Yeah. You just cannot finish that.
इतना बड़ा है.
इतना बड़ा है.
So the dollar value is same then.
$8.
Wow. कहाँ रखो? टेक अवे से कर सको?
Oh, you can, yeah, doggy bag.
एक दफे खाओ, लिख जाओ फिर साथ में भर के.
But it's all relative. जैसे यहाँ भी जिंजा हम खरीदते हैं, अदरक अचार नहीं बना पाए फिजी से. Sorry about that guys. $16 किलो ना. फिजी में एक समय था हमको 20 cents में एक प्लेट मिलता था. I think even now you can buy a nice fresh green ginger in Fiji for maybe less than $5.
और सस्ता भी मिल जाएगा ना.
So it's all relative. Earning power, what you buying.
Because I know the wages are relatively low in US. And the housing affordability थोड़ा सा difficult है, compared to Australia. I think our wages are pretty good here, and a lot of people are enjoying. That's why. But as far as Mox is concerned, and I think you won't get it, na?
No. I think peace of mind, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, from experience in history, weather-wise. I mean, heating costs. Canada, America. Jit, what do you think?
Oh, yeah. I mean,
You've been to America and Canada, na?
No, I've been so many times. I mean,
their winters are very severe, no?
I will never settle in. I might go to Canada to visit, America to visit.
But settle करने के chance.
No. I'll probably retire in Fiji.
Very severe winters.
No, the winters are very severe. You probably won't like to live.
Bar कड़ा हो जाता है. Our friend will tell us.
Ron,
is he
well,
coming back?
he's been saying. Yeah, last week I think they said it was -10 or something. Remember?
40, you said. We're trying to
40,
convert whether it was Fahrenheit or
Celsius.
I think it's Celsius, not
Fahrenheit.
Celsius. Yeah.
Fahrenheit.
उसका conversion factor है for people. If you want to convert from centigrade to Fahrenheit, you multiply it by 9/5 and then add 32.
कितना होता है roughly? So
100 degrees centigrade जिसे boiling point है, 9/5 से multiply करेंगे. So 100 times 9/5 is 5 into 100 is 20, plus times 9 is 180, and then you add 32, it becomes 212 degrees Fahrenheit. और अगर reverse करेंगे तो subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit figure and then multiplied by the inverse. Instead of 9/5 multiplied by 5/9. Check कर लेना, देखो उल्टा तो नहीं पता.
Today we are talking about Fijians around the globe and the why as to when and why are they settled around the globe, and we're talking
in particular.
And we're giving you tips and bits, and plus I'd like to touch a bit of a humor into that. जब आपने बात किया है कि you know lot of people need space. जब space की बात होती है, I myself see things very differently as far as spacing is concerned. You know?
I know why.
So, I'm coming to that. Let's have a song and we'll come back to that, okay? Nice video clip there.
Very very nice jamming. आप हमारे दो साथी कुछ नोटिस करा घुंघरू कौन बजा रहा था?
The God में
हाँ तो फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने देखा कि घुंघरू पहन के नाचते हैं, लेकिन जैसे गुड टेक्निक जब शॉर्टेज होता है म्यूजिशियन के पैर में अपना एंकल में बांध के, और कभी कभी हम हाथ में भी बांध लेते, ढोलक तबला बजाते हैं तो एक साइड में, तो इट गिव्स यू अ नाइस झंकार. I actually not seen that played like that with the ghungru on the foot and the guy in music, not in dancing. It's good technique.
Well, let's go back to our topic, but before we go back to our topic, let's tell us our audience कि यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है सिडनी में. Those who need the publicity or promotions to be gathered to us, please do post on our Facebook page or email us. This is happening here on 31st of January 2015, which is next year. Bulla Hibiscus Festival in Liverpool. Okay. So
where is Woodward Park, Param?
I think this is the corner.
This is the corner where corner of Hume Highway. Right opposite the hall, Masonic Hall.
Whitlam Park we are known as, no?
Yeah,
Whitlam Center corner way.
That's right.
And that's where the park is. So
the Woodward Park is that park. A lot
of rides and entertainment for the whole family. It is going to be 31st. This is happening. I think it's a Saturday. Yes.
January 31st.
Numbers are there, folks. Sashilal for stalls. Entertainment Neil Chand.
Yes.
And Sunil Bhatt. Neil Chand, ये हमारा दोस्त from MKS.
Yes. MKS.
MKS.
Okay. So that means we won't be singing there because the entertainment is by Neil's group. So we wish them all the best.
I know. I think there's going to be a whole day, so that'll be too much for them. So there's some music, some dance, auto shows bhi hai, food stalls bhi hai, jewelry, henna, clothes, fashion parade, वगैरह वगैरह इत्यादि साथ में fireworks.
For you, Doc, Hina is there for you.
अच्छा अभी तो मैं आया हूँ लौट के.
नहीं इसीलिए बोल रहा ना Hina की जरूरत.
Fashion भी है. सवार करी. अभी because you need to gather all these equipment, ना?
For wedding up.
I do.
Yes, Nusha Altaf is coming to Sydney. Rambaho, Sambaho, 21st of February.
The date's changed. Oh, this is the original date.
Has it changed?
I think it has changed.
It has changed. It was 8th of February.
Somebody was saying that she's not now coming with the original date.
As planned date. Okay, as we see some information, we will pass you those information, ladies and gentlemen. But just remember, 31st of January, which is 2015. Can't believe it. We already, into nearly half there, no?
No, he is nearly gone. Christmas aa raha hai.
It's only 3 weeks in December.
Yeah.
So 5 weeks time she'll be coming. 4 plus 3, 7 weeks time, roughly.
Yes. So going back to our topic, we're talking about Fijians around the globe, and we're settled in Fiji. कुछ लोग फिजी में, कुछ लोग अब्रोड है, कुछ लोग सिडनी में, कुछ लोग मेलबर्न में है, कुछ लोग जगह जगह पर है. Wherever you are enjoying your life, which is good, keep well and safe. But जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा कि as you were saying कि we need bigger houses.
वो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट फिजी में क्योंकि बड़ा बड़ा था, people were generally ना they used to खुल के रहो.
That is before the housing came into
मुर्गी सब पे अंडा बच्चा सब चीज पालो ना. So generally when we came here हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट रहा कि go for a bigger.
You must have a vegetable patch. You must have a nice barbecue.
हाँ, धनिया बोड़ा मिर्चा के लिए तो स्पेस होना चाहिए.
कभी घर में पूजा जा रही है, शादी थी ना,
केरा और आम.
But if you think of it, the housing commission blocks are not smaller. They are similar to the blocks over here, if you think of it properly.
Yeah.
साइज वगैरह अगर आप देखो तो इस पर भी बस 650-700 के आसपास ही होगा. I mean, आप लोग probably around about that much. ठीक है. So then people बाहर पूजा वाले जो चीज होते थे, they used to put it outside.
That's it.
समझ गए? पक्का? Is it correct?
Yeah,
Am I correct 100% here?
Correct.
Or not?
101.
Correct.
101.
So
Correct.
people was making it outside. थान वगैरह लोगों का बाहर होता था. पूजा करने का सामान तो छोटा सा बनाते थे.
हाँ, मंदिर सरा शिवलिंग वगैरह सब.
Yes. So when they migrated to Australia, so, they promoted घर बड़े लिए. They promoted the God inside. Why these things? I'm just a thought. I'm not defaming anybody or degrading anything, but it's just thought, and all these thoughts do come into my mind when people give a big room for the puja room and juta room or puja room or music room ityadi. What do you think so? What do you think? What are your thoughts?
Well, it depends. I mean, as you said,
Is it affordability?
It all depends. Most people, when they come in, firstly, they come. When people first migrate, they do not come to a house straight away. They come to a unit, basically.
Yes.
And space is basically whatever space they've got, they try and fit everything in there. As their need arises, they go out, they walk stable. They become stable. What they do is they try and move up. To a bigger thing like Larkan Bada hai, they need to play outside. Because we are so used to open life basically.
बत्तख सब कम थी होगी लेकिन.
The
council rules are different.
Some dogs are still there, but dog interior आएगी.
Yeah. So that's what happens. We are so open-minded in these things because we lived our life in such a way that we were never inside the house.
You
basically.
said open-minded.
Yeah.
My question is,
Open
do you think
spaces.
we are open-minded or do we think we are actually copying the society?
I think it's both basically. It's
Mimicry.
Yeah. So we have to adopt the country we are in.
Let's come back to Paramji's view. I have got another angle to it, more sort of philosophical. हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर हमारा काफ़ी differences है with religious groups. अलग अलग मंडली, अलग अलग मंदिर होते हैं. Politics आ जाता है. ये मंडली वहाँ नहीं जाएंगे, वो मंदिर में जाएंगे. Then we got our Aryas and Sanatanis. तो I have a feeling psychologically maybe people don't want that. तो वो शायद ऐसे करेंगे कि अपना घर में ही मंदिर बना लो.
You think so?
Maybe. कि they will invite their own group. तो वो छोटा जो मंडली होता है ना, तो वो एक यूनिट होता है, which is a good thing. Tight होता है.
Rather than traveling
and then in a way integration नहीं हो रहा है. Separate satellite ला है ना. But in another way they have their own friends, family जो कि एक मंडली में
बैठते हैं.
सत्संग होता है. And they are tight mini community within the bigger community.
It's basically all the friends or families get together and form an organization, basically, or mandali something. Yeah.
And we have, I think, few dozen mandalis in Sydney.
काफी है.
Lots.
There's heaps.
Yeah. And then we have the political side where if somebody has a personality different, they might not want to associate with a special.
They form another
one.
And if they're not happy, but I think basically people want to have their own mandir in their house where they can have.
I wonder if
pujas
it happens in New Zealand and happens in other parts of the world where our Fijians.
They have mandalis there. They have mandalis.
But the thought comes to my process, and I think यहाँ पे people have got money. They're earning money so they can afford to have a chihuahua into the house and a cat into the house.
Chihuahua is a variety of dog, by the way, for people maybe I think everybody knows. Chuha nahi, Chihuahua.
And for those who are actually living in Fiji, I mean, cat was a taboo. घर में आने को नहीं ना.
Even dogs never used to get in the house.
But over here people have dogs in the house and cats in the house.
बिस्तर में सोते यार. हाँ. People they're so close to their pets.
I love dogs. I hate dogs as a kid.
I like dogs, but here the dogs, they keep them clean, groomed, and they actually sleep in a lot of times in the same bed as the owner.
और खाना भी साथ में प्लेट में खाते हैं.
Travel in the front seat too, man. VIP service front seat.
We're not degrading it. We're saying this is observation.
प्लेट तो अलग से मिलता है.
Grooming के बारे में जब बात होती है तो उसका छोटा-छोटा पोनी टेल बना के निकाले लोग ना.
They have the personalized food and they have mobile
so much the world has
bathing
changed,
places. घर-घर जाकर उसका नहलाते हैं, शैम्पू करते हैं.
And a good friend I know also कि अभी छोटू के a friend of ours is got a dog. उसका नाम छोटू है. एंड छोटू ऑब्वियसली बात तो समझे नहीं, भूखे है ना खाली, तो कुछ बोलो तो छोटू बैठो, छोटू बैठ जाए।
हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि इंग्लिश में?
हिंदी में बताइए, छोटू बैठो, छोटू बैठ जाए।
संस्कृत,
इट्स अ वेरी लवली डॉग,
संस्कृत बोलते हैं।
एवरीबॉडी लव्स छोटू ना, कि छोटू जब जाओ तो वो सिग्नल दे दे भूखी, एंड छोटू के मांगो स्पेशल एक जन पिक करो, एक जन ड्रॉप करो। So it's amazing how much love people have for the animals. You know why?
Dogs
Is it
are very
because of,
very intelligent.
Time pass, या तो फिर friendship, या तो कि is it loneliness? The reason I'm coming to this is a very very important subject because I chose it as a light subject. So now I'm going to hit you hard, but the question is why?
I think loneliness.
Loneliness.
I think people need to interact. They do say Western society में that man's best friend is
A dog.
dog, na?
Yes.
A lot of people they need a pet, somebody to talk to. आजकल लोग बात भी करते हैं, उससे communicate करते हैं, and the dog does respond.
Does respond, doesn't pastime, friendship, walk पे जाओ, exercise भी हो जाता है। बड़ा ये तो अच्छा है।
हमारे हिंदुस्तानी
It's a good
tradition
thing.
में
I'll take this in a different thing. See, the way we were in Fiji, right? I mean, the way we structured the houses we had. So we had all neighbors here. So what we used to do to pass our times in the afternoon, so during the daytime, we'll just go to the neighbor's house. We'll just sit there and talk about it. Here, everybody is so scattered. I mean, for example, me and you to get together, we have to ring each other and say, when can we get together?
meet in
Time.
Liverpool.
Yeah, time factor, no? Because life here is so hectic and
Long distances.
long distance, and everybody is busy. So the best thing you can do is to have a pet or like a dog or something like
Or
that.
a rabbit in the house.
Rabbit in the
Or
house.
something in the house, na?
So that if you can pass your time with.
The reason I came to this was I started as a very light comedy, but the reason I came to this is, do you guys know that there's a high rate of suicide in Western Sydney?
Yes,
Do you know? And amongst us Fiji Indians, there's
very high.
a high rate of suicide.
Disproportionately, and in younger people too.
Yes, and
Younger
as
matlab
young
hai
as
under
10.
40s.
And youngest 10 today, actually I read in a newspaper, in youngest 10, they didn't quote ki which nationality she was from. A kid, youngest 10, suicided.
Very sad.
Very sad. So we'll talk a little bit about this. Hey Ghana, we'll touch about this sad part.
I love to praise your
harmonizing and singing. Each singer had a microphone, I noticed, mostly SM58s. No
Is it genuine
skipping.
58?
Looks like. But
There's fake ones in the market too.
they're not skipping on it, na?
Yeah.
One each.
Yeah.
और हम क्रिश्चियन लोग अभी मनाएंगे. The whole world celebrates Christmas.
Christmas, yeah.
जो कि यीशु मसीह का जन्मदिन है. So we take this opportunity to wish you all guys
Happy Christmas, no?
good preparation.
Yes.
We'll wish you better closer, but just be careful with your spending.
Low was on, eh? That's what happens during Christmas, huh? Low.
It's going to be the most expensive, sorted out expenses
Festival,
for everybody.
festivity,
to the past of the world.
festive season, and then 1 year later is New Year's.
And a lot of
One week
events,
later,
lot of
within 1
things.
week, फिर 2 हो जाते ना, back to back.
And don't forget, because Christmas is near, close, you have to not forget your children. And Christmas is much celebrated these days for children.
Commercialized हो गया.
Okay.
They expect a
They
present.
expect a present,
नहीं मिलता है तो जैसे कि उसको मिला मुझको नहीं मिला.
No, send already.
बंदूक.
We used to get what I remember.
So talking about this and talking about kids, ladies and gentlemen, आपके घर पे कोई छोटा सा बच्चा है या बच्ची है, या you've got children, adults भी हैं, and as we are saying, it's quite a high number of suicide rates, and we've also spoken to Dr. Satish Rai as well, that he has some information on that as well.
Yeah, he's quite passionate about research, and he's
Yes.
wrote a lot about it.
And as I said, we started on a very light note, but why people are having dogs and chihuahuas in the house and usko poodle ko ye karke. Your kid might ask you one day कि पापा मुझे rabbit चाहिए, कि पापा मुझे cage वाला ये चाहिए. Don't you think it's very important?
Ask why.
Ask why. The first answer you will say, that's why I said space, house, mandir, dutala area, ghar, dwar, ladkan, bachan. How much time does a parent spend with the children these days? Bhakti bhav, bhed bhav mein kitna time they spend karte hain. So recently it's highlighted because a 10-year-old girl has suicided. So they are investigating, and the investigation says, coroner's report says it was a suicide.
In Sydney.
In Sydney. And as young as 10, so what could they be going through? To be isolation?
Neglect.
Lack of attention.
Family attention. Because kids need your support. जब हम थे तो हम यार दोस्त में व्यस्त थे.
Soccer, kite उड़ाते थे.
And a lot of things we used to keep
Outdoor
us in
activities.
busy.
Yeah.
And you didn't used to hear much about suicide back then.
It was a big event if somebody did die from.
Yes.
Yeah,
Everyone, the whole
self-inflicted.
town used to get there.
The only time you'll hear suicidal was where somebody dying for someone, like a guy commits suicide, his girlfriends get married or something, or the girlfriend goes, or
Or love triangle.
rough triangle. That's the only time you could hear these things. Not, but
So if you got kids, what your thoughts would be, guys? What would you suggest? It could be from any age. अभी जैसे कुछ सुना हम लोग 10 साल के बच्ची. How and what in their mind, psychologically, a psychologist would probably assess and say कि क्या एक 10 साल की बच्ची, हंसती खेलती हुई बच्ची has suicide.
That's a shock. Usually people are depressed and they're going through hardship.
When you're 10, you're like in class 4 or something, no?
4.
Yeah, 4.
5 maximum.
So, there's not much pressure for your studies back then. So, if you're too harsh with the kids as well, I suppose, that could be one reason. Ki study is very important. Or splitting of parents, divorce ityadi, keeping parents away, parents are fighting.
Emotional issues, mental illness भी काफी important role play करता है.
And what do you think?
all depends. I mean, the issues with a child as well. I mean, he might have issues that he's probably not discussing.
Bullying could be bullying.
Could be bullying
Bullying
at
at school.
school, and could be
Causing emotional depression.
Neglection from
Don't
their
think it would
parents.
be a boyfriend issue at the age of 10.
10.
But these are the things that would actually highlight you if you're living abroad in any other country. You do speak to your kids, do speak to your children, do spend some time, and I'm sure some people might get alerted from this. Hey, knock on the door.
Yeah, I
Reality
might
check.
not completely rule out personal relationship, because in the past 25-30 years, menarche, or the first period for a female, is dropping as low as under 10 or even 9.5. I think we have to confirm that with a medical doctor, but from my viewpoint, It was unheard of, that a girl matured at under 10. But it is happening more often now, 9, 9.5, 10, 11.
So the emotional status does change.
The hormones change. Yeah, they may not be in a relationship, but there is definitely a hormonal shift at that time, puberty ke time. And it's dropping. It's dropping. I mean, especially in Western society, we have 14-year-olds in relationship nowadays.
Pregnant even.
Teen pregnancies, 14. They do have boyfriends and girlfriends. We're not making a judgment कि अच्छा चीज़ है खराब है or it's a social
it's a news
issue.
Or it's an issue that is out there and it's highlighting people, no?
It's like watching a 3-year-old playing with an iPhone. They know all about it.
Candy Crush.
So the same way in human relationship, it's dropping. People are getting mature. All these things do make a difference. This 10 to 12-year-old would have been exposed to high-tech IT material. So they're very knowledgeable. Facebook,
all the social sites.
Social sites. And that can affect people too.
Seeing friendship.
Making and breaking friends.
Yeah, do talk to your children and don't disregard because they are 10 years old. People say, "Arey, that's तो 10 साल के अभी तो उसके बच्चा है 15 साल के."
आप कभी-कभी ये भी देखते कुछ parents, the child is sort of looking up and mummy daddy करते रहे तो वो बोलते चुप करो ना. Maybe in some circumstances, but most of the time the child wants to tell you something. And हमारा even family में कभी कहते थे कौन सी बोलता है चुप रहो बोले. And the child then represses it and suppresses that.
And back home, when television wasn't there, so people had more time. यहाँ पर television है, a lot of people are glued to it. No?
That's right. Social media, you've got the games now, internet. A lot of factors.
So
are
isolation
affected.
is the big time. No? Parents, children, interaction and friendship. આજकल friendship is reverted to social sites or telephone. It's quite cheap, no?
A little unit.
Yeah.
That's their friend.
Yeah.
So, don't you think it's lonely? If you make your friend a game a friend or a dog a friend, don't you think it's lonely? It's a high number.
There's no emotional interaction.
No. So, I think we need to peep into these things and seek more and, talk to people out there.
काफी research हो रही है.
And if you, in your household, if these things are happening, do keep an eye on it as a little request, You never know what is happening with your children, so it's very important to talk to them. So this is why I highlighted it as a topic, कि कुत्ते बच्चे इत्यादि हम लोग लेना चाहते हैं. And sometimes that's a pastime for the kids. You've got a busy life, you're coming home. Settlement, traveling 1 hour by train, by the time you get home, it would be like what, an hour? Some people, travel an hour and a half.
You're too tired.
Too tired. Traveling weighs you down. And by the time you get home, cooking, ityadi, wife is busy cooking. Fiji people used to get home, the food is cooked, na?
Yep.
Abhi lifestyle has changed.
One income supports the whole family. Now, you can't do that.
Kid comes home straight away, homework karo pehle, and then, we talk. Homework ke baad mein fir TV shuru ho jaya, na?
It's all related. People बोले कुछ आज नहीं बनाएंगे take away कर दो. बस calories आ जाता है, and then we have the obesity issues and diabetes. So it's a big web.
So do keep an eye on it, ladies and gentlemen, and look after your children. That's a little message that we would like to give. We'll head off to news shortly. Let's एक हम बजाते हैं, लेकिन this video that I'm going to play, you'll be very impressed with it. Just I wish I could play like this, Doc.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार। कोई जो डाले तुम पे नयनवा, कोई जो डाले तुम पे नयनवा, देखा न जाए मुझसे सजनवा, जल मोरा मनवा, जल मोरा मनवा। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे प्यार। मैं तो सदा थी तुम्हारे दीवानी, मैं तो सदा थी तुम्हारे दीवानी, भूल गए सया प्रीत पुरानी, कदर ना जाने, कदर ना जाने। हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना, ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना। हमें तुमसे
कैसे लगा डॉ?
Very soothing.
Very soothing, na?
हाँ, सूदिंग. एक जगह थोड़ा नारियल पीने पानी पी के इससे सो जाएगा बस.
Nariyal pani.
Nice musicians. We do have, I think, 2 good bass guitarists in Sydney who can play like the bass there. Shalane and our friend Sunil Raj. They're good. But the singing and I think nylon string था वो.
it was
flamenco
nylon string.
Spanish type था. You see वो अपना कानी उंगली pinky भी use करता था ना. So he's playing the full chords. It's very hard to use that finger. You need a lot of strength. He's a very accomplished player. And he was really into
Relaxed,
it.
yeah.
His eyes was closed and he हमको तो देखना पड़ता है फ्रेट जगह पे ठीक है ना अभी beginners ना
पड़े ना?
हाँ, तो he knows his scales ना
They've taken the song to a next
different level.
Next level, yeah.
As you were saying in the interlude, original is in skin instrument, percussion, dhol tabla, and this was the drummer was taking with the bass.
Yeah.
Jit, what do you think? Nice.
New generation, new music.
New generation music, new
Classical
new
touch भी चल दिया था.
Spanish
A bit of
guitar.
Carnatic.
It's good to revive
bit of
all the old
Carnatic
songs,
touch
you know.
there. Bit of Carnatic touch.
And they are good musicians actually. Good.
It will be good to see all the old songs, you know, coming out into revived.
People.
Into, I mean, not
नवा
too much into dry
में तो कुछ है
music.
भी नहीं ना.
Yeah. There's no
कभी
lyrics.
ओढ़नी के फूल से, कभी साड़ी के फूल से, कभी जीन के फूल से बस नहीं होता. मैच करते.
हाँ? खाली फूल से ना.
Some false.
फूल से.
वाटरफॉल भी हो जाता है.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ahead. It's time for some news. Yes, we missed news and politics. We had a long break. We had 4 weeks of without news and politics. And
Yeah, we had some holidays, didn't we, guys?
Yes.
Summer
Time
break.
for समाचार दर्शन.
समाचार दर्शन या छोटा मोटा सा
लगे हाथ.
खबर है लगे हाथ से आप सभी को पता है कि पहला बजट ये जो बेनी वर्मा गवर्नमेंट का पहला बजट फिलहाल इन्होंने रिलीज किया था उसमें अपना जो अपोजिशन शेडो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर प्रोफेसर विमान प्रसाद जी ने वो अपना
फेडरेशन
जी हाँ वो अपना राय दे रहे थे बजट के विषय में और उन्होंने ये कहा है कि ये जो नया बजट इन्होंने घोषित किया है इनमें देखा जाए तो ये जितनी भी ग्रोथ इन्होंने ऐलान किया है फिजी के लिए ये कैसे करेंगे इनका ये जो सवाल है इन्होंने ये सवाल शायद कई उनसे पूछा है कि ये आप कैसे कर सकेंगे और इनका ये कहना भी है कि ये जो गैप है ना रिच और पुअर का गैप है ये बजट जो आया है नया
कैसे
ये
रिड्यूस करेगा
नहीं ये जो नया बजट आया है ये गरीब और रिच का ये जो गैप है वो और भी ज्यादा कर देगा क्योंकि क्या होता है इसमें
हाउ विल दे रिड्यूस इट वो क्वेश्चन है
ये एक क्वेश्चन तो ये है और बताया गया है कि ये बजट में कि इनका ये जो घोषणा है कि इनका जो वेट इंक्रीज करना ये तो बिल्कुल गलत बात
अभी
है
15% है
हाँ
और कितना करेंगे
So who's trying to increase the budget? Not the current government.
No, the current
government's budget है
Oh, okay.
trying to increase it 15 it was 10
it's good to 15.
sorry to intervene but budget के कितना total how much is the size of the pie कितना billion
I haven't got
Are you
that.
coming to that?
I'll just got the snippets out.
Okay.
What they were saying about it, ना? I haven't studied the full budget. क्योंकि आपको पता है, I mean, I haven't.
Allocations में फिर बाद में जाएंगे.
हाँ.
ये अपन budget में busy रहा.
Because there was a bit of dents in the budget, so तो इनका कहना है कि ये जो आ रहे हैं ये
Penal beta.
हाँ ये जो गैप आ रहे हैं ना इनके भी बजट्स में ये जब इंक्रीज करना चाहते हैं ये कंपनी टैक्स रिड्यूस करना चाहते हैं ये पैसा कहाँ से आएगा दैट्स वन क्वेश्चन और दूसरा चीज़ है कि ये जब वेट इंक्रीज करेंगे तो ये जो गरीब लोग जिनका तनख्वाह कम है ये कैसे अफोर्ड करेंगे इफेक्ट क्योंकि जो वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स है आप कुछ भी खरीदेंगे तो
GST है बेसिकली
सो वेयर विल पीपल गेट द मनी एक्स्ट्रा मनी तो ये सवाल विमान जी कर रहे हैं और ये कह रहे हैं कि ये जो गैप है ना जो रिच आदमी और भी रिच हो जाएगा इट्स गोना गेट पूरा तो ये विमान जी कह रहे थे कि ये जो बजट इन्होंने बनाया ये सोच समझ के इन्होंने बजट नहीं बनाया है तो इसके विषय में अभी बहुत बारी बातें हो रही हैं चर्चे हो रहे हैं
hot topic
just a little stop over there I thought कि Biman was actually the one that was campaigning and was saying कि budget increase किया जाएगा budget में VAT increase किया जाएगा I thought it was one of the campaigning moves or was it the opposition they were going to increase not
I think it was not the
one of them were planning to increase the budget I think it was
well that's the only way to get revenue for the government because there is no other revenues so where can they get revenues to balance
but
their
the question
budgets?
is the inflation going to stay steady If it goes up too, or if pay increase is not commensurate,
Well,
so there will be a lot more poverty.
it is. That's what he's saying. Is there will be a difference between the rich and the poor. If the wages level remains the same and the VAT goes up, that's what happens.
और फिर मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में जीडीपी भी देखा जाएगा फॉर्मूला में
बिल्कुल.
कितना हमारा ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक जो प्रोडक्ट है it has to increase ना इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए
Because
then
once
it will balance.
investment comes in, if they reduce the company tax, basically what happens is the rich people on the top with businesses, they're paying less tax.
Sorry, I'll let you get with the accounting. I was just jabbing.
बिल्कुल. और साथ साथ में जैसे कि हमने पहले ही बताया कि फ्लड फिलहाल फिजी में बहुत सारे
Yeah, I've got some actually photos.
फोटोज है पर उनके पास
Bad timing, man. कहाँ पर ये वेस्टर्न साइड
कोरोवो तालेवु खासतौर पर ये जो फ्लडिंग हुआ ये सेंट्रल एंड ईस्टर्न डिवीजन में हुआ है और इलाका जैसे कि राकी टाउन भी कुछ दिनों के लिए बंद है साथ साथ में कोरोलेवु तालेवु में नसीनु वाइला को फ्लैट्स में भी बहुत सारे
Is this the last 24 hours? 48 hours?
Yes, that's 48 hours.
Bad timing.
और देखा जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से जो इलाका में फ्लड्स है कोरोलेवु और यहाँ पर मोस्टली जो डेयरी फार्मर्स होते हैं ना
लो
एरिया है तो यहाँ पर डेयरी फार्मिंग जस्ती होता है कोरोवो. हाँ, तो उनमें क्या होता है कि मेरे ख्याल से 2 दिन से ये जो फ्रेश मिल्क वगैरह है शॉर्टेज है फिजी में अभी आया नहीं है और साथ साथ में जो रूट क्रॉप्स है ना जैसे कि भाजी तरकारी भी कुछ खास नहीं आ रही कि mostly comes from.
एक बात और बता दें यहाँ पर इमरजेंसी फीड होता है ना अगर कुछ हो गया है वगैरह तैयार रहता है आई थिंक फिजी में दे नॉट दैट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग
क्योंकि जो कैटल वगैरह
आएंगे नहीं तो वो प्रोड्यूस नहीं करेंगे
Probably they didn't expect it because Korovou hasn't been
flooded for a long while.
They've known, I think back in the history when we were studying, when they were called Reval Delta. पानी उधर बहुत जाता है.
फिर भी होता है बीबी डेल्टा है. कैचमेंट एरिया से जब आता है all the silt comes down.
It's unfortunate though.
या बिल्कुल अगर देखा जाए जितना फार्मिंग एरियाज है ना देखा यहाँ पर जैसे वाइला है और कोरोवो तालेवु
और दिलकुशा से उधर
बिल्कुल जैसे फार्मिंग एरियाज है ना तो वहाँ से तरकारी साग सब्जी इट्स नॉट कमिंग और साथ साथ पर डेयरी
प्रोडक्ट्स. It is a food basket. One of our Singatoka and that area is a food basket for Suva.
A lot of losses apparently probably no.
और साथ साथ में देखा जाए एक और समाचार ये है कि जो फिजी में डेथ पेनल्टी था
अभी नहीं है
under military forces rule was death penalty.
नहीं वो you mean capital punishment. We have not had that for a while.
No, it's under the RFMF. Under that there was a death penalty.
Okay, but that was for
under
military rule.
Yeah, under military rule there was death
treason
penalty.
वगैरह.
हाँ बिल्कुल. So they have actually अभी जो फिलहाल जो recent human right convention Geneva में हुआ उसमें
रद्द कर दिया है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Okay.
Fiji has given an undertaking that they will abolish the death penalty.
लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से अभी फिलहाल किसी को वो पेनल्टी मिला भी नहीं है. Nobody has been convicted under the military.
But it's there in writing. There in writing. So Fiji has taken an undertaking that they will abolish this.
Okay.
Under human rights.
What's the main reason they are motive भी देखना है ना? Why would they do it now and what's behind it?
Because क्या होता है ना अभी death penalty democracy ना there's
military is out now after so many years of power and all these things now so they have to strengthen the law na
yeah
during that time.
You can always see two sides. One is human rights कि who has the right to take the life of some other person.
True.
Religious side. The other thing is it might be a form of protection for the army as well.
बिल्कुल. So I didn't know that it did exist until I read in the news that under the military rule there was a death penalty.
Normally high treason और deserting के लिए मिलता है.
होता है हाँ.
कहाँ पर लड़ाई है और आपने अपना कोलिग को छोड़कर भाग गए बंदूक नहीं चलाया. That kind of thing. Mutiny.
Yeah.
High level, high end military crimes ना. Not civilian crimes.
बिल्कुल. और आखिरी समाचार ये है कि आप सबको पता होगा लैंड बैंक ऐसे फिजी में एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है ना लैंड बैंक कि जितने लोग अपना जो लैंड नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं they want to lease the land it goes to give it to the government the way there is a land bank So what happens then? The government leases the land out to people who actually require it, and then give the land owners their money basically
rights,
for
yeah.
the rights. Kul milakar, there are 79 parcels of land already sitting in the land bank, where people are actually giving the land away.
But nobody's
Released.
taking it.
So far there is
Wake up
20.
call है ना, wake up call finally है, जमीन पड़ा
Jamin
हुआ,
pada hai,
कुछ
people are
करेंगे।
realizing
How
now.
many have been taken?
26 already have been
Big
leased.
list.
Okay. What's the size of the land? It's
They haven't given us the size, but
Yeah.
most of the lands are unsurveyed at the moment. So they've got to survey the land. And
चली
obviously,
जाए।
obviously,
गन्ना बज जाए।
I would be a bit cautious about that because हमारे इतिहास में लिखा है कि हिंदुस्तानी आबाद करते, develop करते, and then they lose it. If they don't own it, तो I am still adamant कि हमारा फिजी में land reform होना चाहिए.
I think there would have been some law in practice. in
Australia, New
together.
Zealand में जैसे
कुछ
है.
ना कुछ तो होगा।
Yeah, and it's better to have your own land, na? You own it. In the end, it's still leasing, है ना?
bilkul. I mean, they
Port में लेंगे.
what the government should do is basically look at rezoning the lands into
Release
crown
करना.
lands. Yeah,
Crown or even freehold.
freeholds.
I think under the treaty they can't, no? Because when the Queen signed it, that was done and dusted, no? They're not for sale.
1870. Same New Zealand में Treaty of Waitangi. But Australia and New Zealand में they have the reform the law. Constitutions फिजी में रद्द भी किया गया, rewrite किया गया है. And I think you can do it.
I mean, there, if people want to do it, they can do it. And there
I
is-
suppose it'll be a big change. जैसे कि democratic से republic होना is such a big change. Or communist होना is such a big change to any country.
Yeah.
And maybe this is a small step ahead.
But हमारा रिपब्लिक was not referendum ना. 1-2 बजे सवेरे हमारा पेनी गानीलो ने रेडियो में कर बताया कि before midnight we are democracy. The next morning everybody wakes up and वो थोपा गया था ना. We were enforced with republic. People did not agree. But sometimes changes थोड़ा कड़वी रहती है. But मेरे ख्याल से 10 years में next अगर land reform नहीं होगा, Fiji develop नहीं होगा. Very slow.
No, that's why Professor Bhiman was saying. The budget basically.
Anyway, this is very interesting, positive development.
Yeah.
It's a good development.
I think at least there is signs of improvements.
It's a very positive thing.
79 parcel of lands are sitting there. When people do want to, and there are people actually.
वास्तव में सोचो 79 बहुत है नहीं, हम इसमें से 3 ले लेंगे 76 हो जाएगा ना.
But काफी बड़ा जमीन है ना.
Farming land.
ज़्यादा chiefs नहीं है.
है.
बहुत खाली पड़ा है ना.
Yeah.
एक chief is basically around the Talevu area.
Right.
So Fiji is not that big.
It's 4,300
So when it's
square
79 parcels, so different. 79. One parcel could be one province,
miles. Yeah. Fiti Levu is under 5,000 square miles, not big.
What they could actually do is become a bit more smarter in that sense कि now that the land bank is coming. They can give it to the land bank or they don't give it to the land bank. अगर कोई private company यहाँ से जाता है, talk to this Aitokesh and say, look, you give it to us, and pop up writing and everything.
Contracts.
They could have developments. Housing Commission, for example, not Housing Commission, Housing Authority, for example. It's not your land.
Yeah.
We are saying it's our land, it's not your land. 99 years lease. And if you look at it, most of the land in Fiji developed in the late 60s, still going on now, is owned by housing. So it's not your land, is it? 99 years lease.
A lease
तो चल गया.
A lease is a lease is a
big
lease.
time.
Freehold is a freehold is a
No, but
freehold.
there's 2 generations only, no? Because if you go up to the age of 70, next generation will be saying, hey, 99 years lease expired now. So those people that pay $3,000, the question is 99 years बाद वो कितना भरेंगे? All these things is going to become up, no?
That is true, but let's put it this way. 99 year lease is, this land bank. Yeah, they I don't know how this thing is working at the moment. I think what they're doing is government is subsidizing the landowners here, right? What they're doing is basically taking the land parcels and leasing it. I think the government is subsidizing the landowners
Some sort of
as
money
well,
coming in.
in.
The sense of that. It's a good source of income for people that want to
Because
plant.
in Fiji we barely need to release land even for people to live on. Because look at all the squatter settlements. It is so unhygienic. As Dr. Satish Rai has done, a video
Once we were
basically.
farmers, he has done a few documentaries.
Documentaries
वो
on it.
बतवांगा वाला जो था.
Yeah, it is really sad to see how people live in this in states, you know.
True, true.
बस इतने ही समाचार है हमारे पास.
Okay, well, by the way, those who are, watching Fiji, embark in the seventh world, did you see it?
नहीं, I was busy in the
They
weekend. I
actually
think we're doing
lost
all right.
to Australia big time.
Oh, third game,
Semi-final, में.
Fiji.
And South Africa beat Australia to take the cup.
Oh,
Dubai
Fiji.
Sevens.
Dubai
Fiji का
Sevens.
कितना रहा score?
Australia thrashed them basically 30-something to 7, big time.
What went wrong?
Well, look, come on. So the Pilia Garat ki, you never know. Just
Dubai
party
is too
hoega.
Dubai is too hot probably.
No, they're used to it. But the thing is, when once they start getting, they
Other
start
issues.
winning.
There's other issues.
Oh,
Discipline.
Fiji is a small place. no?
Discipline, training.
Discipline, training, and all those things. But if your opposition is much better than you, hey, come on. And Australia lost to South Africa in 7. So there you go. Well, at least we did well, no?
Finals.
Bangladesh, stamp laga kar
Well,
aaye
at least we're there. I mean, the quarterfinals. I mean, we're
Yeah.
doing better than most of the countries anyway.
Yeah,
New Zealand nowhere?
New Zealand, Fiji beat New Zealand though.
But there you go.
Yeah,
Because-
Big
Did
achievement. Big achievement.
yeah. And we're talking about barish, and,
Aha.
rain and all that.
Well, Suru and Barish will sound very good, huh?
And
Chitta.
is this Nangari?
Nangari.
It is Nangari, isn't it?
Tekra.
But it's undersized.
Mud crab.
A dog? Undersized, you know?
Looks alright. Looks alright. Rural लगाना पड़ेगा, but photography में,
Yeah.
you can do a lot of changes.
It's about 7.
7 there.
Yeah, about $50.
भर तो है या
Fijian
नहीं?
dollars?
नहीं.
Ah, not
Must be
anymore.
more than-
Huh?
No, more than that. Now more 70 bucks.
Size wise.
Machri is about 35, 40 bucks, man. So this must be at least $100.
70 to $80
Hmm.
if you're lucky.
Nangari. And इसके बनाने का तरकीब शुरुआत
You know, this thing can be farmed. Aquaculture बोलते हैं.
हाँ.
यहाँ पर करते हैं.
हम्म.
और मैं सोचता हूँ क्यों नहीं फिजी में
Start to
government starts it and then exports it and it lowers the price for the local people. वो तो कुछ लोगों का एक हफ्ता का तलब होगा $80 to $100.
People do it.
Why can't we do it in Fiji? Aquaculture. अभी होता है थोड़ा थोड़ा people बोले ओ आता है what you talking about ना. वो चुटकीला वाला नहीं ना. Do it in a big time. उतना जमीन है गलत कर दो पूरा. बट फिर इकोनॉमी आ जाता है उसमें ना. डंपिंग होने लगेगा. They'll be sending all the crabs यहाँ
रास्ता में चली फिर नंगारी.
But these are things to think about.
Well, it's good news, and let's move ahead. And Nangari is not on of late today, but that was just showing you ki, we're quite famous.
Well, it's quite famous. Well, in Christmas, I mean, that's one of the
Khasi will be more famous, I think, isn't it?
Yeah,
Khasi giri kaha Christmas ki.
Khasi is expensive too.
expensive.
I think
400,
it's over
500.
200 now, I think.
Is
No,
it?
$400.
Sir, buddha khasi mili na?
Really?
Yeah, $400.
Hai?
$400.
Buddha khasi hai na the mili.
Not really.
No, not really.
Then again, land issue na. Land ज़्यादा खोलो,
कहाँ पालेंगे?
खसी के पालेंगे. So
इसमें चोरी ज़्यादा है ना.
कुत्ता रख लो घर है. कुत्ता भी poison दे
See,
देंगे.
that is the problem in Fiji.
Vicious cycle है ना.
Yeah, if people
Really
know that
that's
this guy is doing khasi farming, चलिए रात के मांस लेके आइयो.
Fence क्रॉस करते
Fence.
ना. Heavy metal high barbed wire fence करेक्ट पड़ी.
No, unless
सुरंग
you
खोदेंगे
put
नीचे से टनल बना देंगे. Great Escape movie देखा रहा?
नंगारी निकल जी.
But Fiji has a lot of potential. We wish Fiji all the best.
And everybody we speak to say कि retirement Fiji में है. It's looking like that, but hey,
There are a lot of issues. If you retire,
not until the health system develops.
health
over
system,
there.
because if you get
That's
sick
my
in
second
Fiji,
thought.
unfortunately, most people in our age group उसका main issue है what will happen if I get sick in Fiji.
Well, do you know some people are actually retired here? They're on pension. Travel to Fiji, they'll stay there. वहाँ रुकते. They come back every 3 months. I think 3 months is the limit.
limit, you gotta stay 3
They
months.
go there, come back in 3 months, 1 day. They still get their pension. दवा इत्यादि यहाँ से लेके they go back again. Because it's much more arthritis इत्यादि वगैरह जो बीमारी है वहाँ पे उसका कम
Health
है.
issues are
Yeah. So
asthma.
I know, few of my cousins actually doing that. They're retired.
Good
they
for
say,
cosmetics.
for us and good for health reasons. Their house is on rent over here. I think the children are managing. So looking good. Our rent भी सस्ता है Fiji में. I think about $300 you can get a good
a month?
bedroom house.
But bottom line is, if somebody needs a stent in Fiji, there's nobody trained to do it. Fiji में
3
pacemaker
months बाद यहाँ आ जाएंगे ना.
नहीं, but stent you need it within 48 hours.
Oh,
ना? Pacemaker or
They
stent.
won't actually let you fly. Do you know that?
Yeah.
That's right.
Aspirin दे के बोलेंगे बैठो अभी until it stabilizes.
Aspirin, warfarin, stabilize
Well,
करेंगे.
say super private if you want to go to.
नहीं, but there's no trained cardiothoracic surgeon in Fiji as far as I know, local, जो कि एक pacemaker या stent लगा सकता है.
They'll have to travel
I could be
here.
proven wrong, but basics है. Basics है ना. So we need to develop the hospitals, get trained people
Health
there.
system in there, so that at least people can.
I think, I mean, looking at now the government's been democratically elected. I think there will be now aids from Australia, New Zealand, and all the Commonwealth countries.
लेकिन कब तक aid में अपना own खेती
They will
बनता है
now
ना.
start pumping, resources and stuff in there, and that will get better.
जितना सब टका है सब निकालिए लोग अब ना.
Melbourne नाला सब चैसा.
Okay, let's
Move
go
on.
ahead and move on. This is a nice video you'll
Yes,
see, and it'll be amazing.
good forum
to
there. Thank
talk
you,
about
guys.
that.
दिल में हो तुम, आँखों में तुम, बोलो तुम्हें कैसे चाहूं. पूजा करूं, जैसे कहूं वैसे चाहूं. मेरी जानो, अकेला हूँ मैं अकेला, तुम्हें मेरे दिल ने पुकारा. तुम्हारी यादें सताए, नहीं है कोई हमारा. दुनिया के गम सहता हूँ मैं, तेरा के गम सह न पाऊं. जानो, जाने जाना जानो.
मुझे श्योर नहीं है कौन बड़ा था माइक्रोफोन की गाने वाली जो लड़की थी. It's tiny, must be 7 or 8.
शायद होगा इतना. You can log
No,
on to the
I think
YouTube
five,
details.
6.
Younger. दांत देख के बता देता but she wasn't showing it.
कोशिश नहीं ना. Amazing.
But
Good timing,
it is amazing. She's got the pitch और सुर पर for a girl उसका तो vocal cords develop नहीं होगा अच्छी तरह से ना. और एकदम time पे and really concentrating.
And somebody actually tagged me that video so in Fijian interview, so I said, okay, I better promote this guy. He actually looks Nepali, so I think those who do want to watch it, go to his YouTube channel and watch those videos. Amazing
Vijay
talent.
Shankar side.
Vijay Shankar. yeah.
Vijay Shankar.
Amazing talent है ना, amazing talent. आजकल ये साधन जो है आजकल है ना, you should do your kids को देना चाहिए ना, on कर दो, no?
Well, these days, I mean, वो मिलता है ना, karaoke master.
Karaoke master जो देखो वही लेके घूमता है. But it's good, when you start into them, they'll learn, no? And those things are very important. Wonderful.
Very wonderful, extremely
wonderful to see
uplifting.
such a young kid. There was a time when in Fiji all these young kids came up, and like Karishma, and there was
Karishma
Deepa.
came in your
Deepa.
show. Which one did you promote the show here?
Karishma. And
Deepa,
then there was Deepa.
Deepa came.
She sang quite a lot and toured actually Fiji, Australia and New Zealand, and she was quite good. इस तरह का talent Fiji में है, but
एक visually impaired lady भी है वहाँ पर, visually impaired from the blind school, and she was here too.
Pushpa. She must have been old now, na काफी.
I heard her sing many years ago.
She must have been
See,
old now.
जो Fiji Blind Society का band is so good.
And we were talking behind while this was running, and how you were saying that that all the mandlis and all the jantas that are actually have got little kids programs happening. I don't know. I don't go to
They're promoting nowadays. They teach Hindi and they're promoting music and singing,
and bring the kids along,
which is a very good thing to see.
Yes, because some parents do work on weekends.
And some young kids I've seen play here. Sorry to correct. They're teenagers. They are very accomplished. Harmonium, tabla players. Singers even, very accomplished 12 to 15, 16-year-old.
बिल्कुल.
So I think it is very important, ladies and gentlemen,
Because in our days, I mean, we didn't used to get this chance. Now they'll scream at us. Put it away.
No, you just text and they say it was nice.
It was all about money. If it broke, there might have been a whole gaon might have one dholak and tabla. And remember the dholaks were handmade. Took a while to actually chamda nikalo, rakhi se masala lagao na.
Talking about kids, in Australia, we don't have a weekend school or a place.
Where schools?
Huh?
Cultural schools, yeah.
Schools छोड़ो entertainment के लिए.
Yes, they do that part of.
Not education. Monday to Friday education रहे उनके.
Right.
Like दिन में अगर say you have to go shopping, and you and wife have to go and do some shopping, and you don't want to tag along because the kids will be walking, they'll be tired and unhappy. So एक दो घंटे के लिए you can drop them in this place, जहाँ पर वो खेल सकते हैं, यार दोस्त से मिल सकते हैं, अपने भाषा सीख सकते हैं. Don't you agree with these things?
That's a good concept.
like
A good business.
Business
Business
concept,
point other than
it is happening, but privately होता है.
But because the place is already there,
Yeah.
the mandir is there.
Yeah.
क्या नाम उसका? Hostel है.
People are doing that.
All the
Sundays
halls are empty.
came.
Friday utilize
Volunteers are doing it,
And plus,
but selective. It's not a public thing where you can enroll, na?
enroll भी नहीं, but
You free on the weekends?
I'm
Let's start this
free
thing going.
for an hour or two.
Hour or two on Sundays.
Music teach कर सकते हैं.
Teach music, drop the kids here, है ना?
I think
जगह बड़ा नहीं है, otherwise I would.
time and human factor. जैसे हमारा लोग के शायद आज कई लोगों का रिहर्सल होगा म्यूजिक का ना शायद. फिर हम यहाँ पे रहे, and then Friday, Saturday show होता है ना.
Weekends are the most because parents, if you see, are doing things. They are doing shopping वगैरह, so they have to. Because I observe when you go to the shopping centers, hey, yeah, jaldi आओ, दौड़ो. And the mother's walking and the son is like 100 yards behind. तो ये सब चीज they can go and drop it there and sandwich बना के लड़के को दे दो, या तो $5 दे दो, तो वहाँ पे कैंटीन भी
भिंडी रोटी healthy hour.
भिंडी हेल्थी whatever
$5 नहीं देना.
कैंटीन में. But I think see these places that are already there, like mandir is already there. There's a few other mandirs we know.
No, seriously.
Yeah.
And
Jokes aside, you utilize. एक बीच में बहुत होता था, but I think a lot of the teachers have either really become old or they have passed away.
Yeah, but the thing is, they don't have to
Deceased,
teach.
na?
They don't have to teach. Weekends में it's entertainment for the kids. Come on, you don't have to teach Hindi on the weekend.
उसमें एक issue है, just a legal issue. If you're looking after children, उसमें थोड़ा कुछ बजान काम रहता है ना.
अरे बजान का
Child check, you have to
Yeah, you
work
have to be
pedophilia
child care,
check,
Approved.
certificate जैसे हमारा होता है ना, working with children, we have to check. और फिर कुछ ट्रेनिंग भी होना चाहिए, हेल्थ चेक, यू नो, ताकि अगर किसी का
यार,
acute हो गया,
मंदिर में कहाँ ऐसा है?
Public liability insurance.
Public liability,
मंदिर
yeah.
में तो पब्लिक लाइबिलिटी है,
कुछ हो गया बोले हमारा लड़का के कुछ हो ही गया बोले ना.
अरे दादा,
So little issues
you
there.
have to get out of all these things.
You have to, but होता है.
Yeah.
So you know you have to work around this. थोड़ा trust भी होना चाहिए, responsibility.
So
ये
busy during Christmas time, Christmas, Diwali time, no?
नहीं, every time I see parents are busy.
Eat time.
क्योंकि यहाँ का laws is across the board. हम जानते हैं हमारे लोग शायद कम करते होंगे या नहीं करते होंगे ये सब चीज़, but it's for everybody ना, for the protection of the child. So हमारा child laws यहाँ पर काफ़ी strict है. वो भी एक issue है.
Changes, no, things. But I think मंदिर in them, जो बड़े संस्था हैं, you know, they don't have to specifically advertise this कि we are a child care center.
No.
We are an entertainment center.
This is a cultural community thing.
Cultural community center.
We can create the gem center.
हाँ,
Come
they
and
can
jam.
learn drawing, they can learn music, they can learn harmonia, they can learn lots of
वर्णमाला
other
हिंदी
things.
alphabet काका गा ये सब
You
सीखना
don't have to
चाहिए.
teach them, दीवार में लिख दो, they will, you know, read. टेलीविजन लगा दिया, पोर्टेबल चल रहा है, वो अपन कार्टून बैठ के देखे. All these things can happen, no? It doesn't cost much, and I think parents would be willingly, they'll donate some money, no? Rather than donating to an unknown cause where you don't know where the money is going. समझ गए?
और एक नॉन कल्चरल सेटिंग, हमारा में कल्चरल सेटिंग होगा.
बिजनेस अच्छा है ना?
Good business, prosperous.
प्लान करेक्ट.
Very good. हाँ, ये वो और एक रिटायरमेंट होम हमारे लोग काफी दिन से बनाते हैं.
अभी तक
तो
बना नहीं.
मेरा हिप रिप्लेसमेंट होते होते अगर नहीं बना
कौन वाला पहले लेफ्ट के राइट?
20 years right अला. Too much
आप
soccer.
जाते नहीं हो फंक्शन में, इसलिए all Indian functions you should go. You support. One day we'll see this all going up.
हाँ, जय बोलो के बताओ, बोलो कि स्टेज में ही बात बताओ, बोलो पैसा बटोरा जावे, बोलो कि एक नर्सिंग होम बनाने के लिए. बट आजकल यहाँ पे साहब अपन नर्सिंग होम की तैयारी कर ली है ना.
Commercialize. Fisca is collecting for multicultural. As you know, we made a profit in our last function. It will be divulged in our next meeting.
Okay. Well, that is it for us, I think, guys. It has been a wonderful journey, wonderful topics we've
A good,
discussed today.
Warm journey.
Yes, and it is also warm outside. And around the globe, be happy and keep happy. Festive season is around the corner. And don't drink and drive.
बिल्कुल नहीं ना. You can brown label, you can drink brown label and try.
उसमें भी तो डोप हो जाए ना.
But
Brown
it's
label
legal.
में. Is it?
Yes, legal.
You can't breathalyze.
You
But
can't
ऐसे
breathalyze.
ऐसे करके आँखें बंद हो जाए ना बेचारा लोग के.
You can have micro sleep. It's a dangerous thing.
Dangerous.
हाँ,
कोई भी लेबल पिए.
और कल रात को जो मैं फंक्शन में था, वहाँ ब्राउन लेवल का थरी आ गया था, which is good thing to
Brown
see.
label is
I
basically
don't drink.
सोच रहे हैं कुछ लोग कि क्या it's actually
Namana kava. So I don't drink, but it was there.
Well, it's nice, and we leave you with a nice thought, and ladies and gentlemen, with a nice song, and
See you next week.
in good course, we'll see you next week with more information.
Yep.
More
Well,
news,
tips,
more
yes.
politics.
So we'll tell
and
our viewers that we're not going on leave anymore because we've already been to our summer break.
Yes,
So
yes. There may be
we'll-
some sort of changes happening in there, but we don't know. Depends.
We'll wrap up and
Yes, and a lot of things happening. Don't forget, help up to our YouTube channel if you need any information. Give us some information. यदि आप किसी कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, reach us that way. Promote Fiji Indians around the globe or any other person for that matter. And we leave you with a good thought. Yeah, the good song. तुम ही हो आशिकी का नंबर.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम